Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the pop-up cart styler. So the pop-up cart styler enables you to adjust the design of your store shopping cart module. So for us to access the pop-up cart styler, we navigate to the store management section and select settings. In the settings page, we select themes. So here we'll now proceed to choose the store that we want to customize the theme. So we go ahead and select the store by clicking the edit button here. So in the edit theme page, we will go ahead and click on the customize theme button here. So this will open the theme preview design environment. So once we open this page, for us to access the pop-up cart styler, we navigate to the menu button here, select it, and then we proceed to select the pop-up cart styler. Alright, so this will open the pop-up cart styler settings page. So from here, we can proceed to adjust the settings and the design of the shopping cart. So what we'll do next is we proceed to close this window, and then once the page refreshes, as it's refreshing now, we go ahead and select a product. All right, so we now proceed. Let's say we select this product, we open it, and then we proceed to choose one of the options here, and then we add it to cart. So once we add to cart, we can then proceed to check the shopping cart by selecting it here. So this is the pop-up cart. So this is the pop-up shopping cart here. So what we have to do, we want to change the design of this section. So to change any of this, let's say we want to remove the give voucher option here. So for us to do that, to remove the give voucher option here, we come here and select pop-up cart styler. All right, so here we go ahead under the cart module section here, we disable this option and then save. All right, so now that we've saved, let's close the window. So once the theme preview refreshes, we come back here again and select the cart. So you see that in the pop-up cart window, you can see that the give voucher option has been removed. So we can also adjust the color of any of the sections. Let's say we want to adjust the background and text color of the header section. To do this, we go ahead and select the pop-up cart styler again. So once we do that, in the settings page, we select styles and colors. So we go ahead and enable the status to make sure that any custom color we choose here will be active in the storefront. So to adjust the header background color and font color, let's say we change the background to black. For the font color, we change it to white. So once we do this, we save. All right, so now that we've saved, let's close this. All right, so once we do this, we go ahead and open the cart again. All right, so you can see that the header, background, and text color has been adjusted. So these are just some of the examples on how you can use the pop-up cart styler. So let's say we want to add content, custom content to any of the header or footer section of the pop-up cart. To do this, we come here, select the pop-up cart styler, So here we choose custom content blocks option. So for the top, let's say we want to add a text here or any a banner or text. For example, we add a text, we say this is a test announcement. All right. Let's say we increase the font to 18 and then we save. So you make sure that the status is enabled. So once we save, we come back and make sure that the status is enabled. So this is for the top section. So let's close it and check. So once it refreshes, we go ahead and open the cart again. So you can see that the custom content we added is now visible in the pop-up cart window here. So you can also add other content to the footer section here or within the table here. So these are just examples on how you can use the pop-up cart styler to adjust the storefront pop-up cart window. In this video, I've shown you how to set up the pop-up cart styler and how to use it to customize the storefront shopping cart. Thank you for watching.